This is so hard. How can I even survive like this?
We don't have a choice. No fire.
Imagine we have a tool to make a fire easily.
Almost there. Wow!
In every books, we can learn more and share ideas. But what if too much makes people lazy?
Naramdaman ng puso na
Everything is so fast now. We can talk to anyone, anytime.
Yes, but people don't talk face to face as much as in.
Use technology in bad ways like spreading fake news.
Wow, life is so easy now.
wala namang matandaan na nasabi bang kasakali kay aking nasaktan. Bigla na lamang ika'y di nagparamdam.
Technology is powerful, it helps us, but we don't use it wisely.